Is this kind of fishing fun?
Yeah.
Yes, I like it too. I was fishing like this a lot when I was a young boy. Yes.
It's very hot.
Hot. Yes.
I feel like my skin is burned.
Yes, it's hot. Yes.
My skin will be burned, and you cannot see me anymore.
I can always see you, my dear.
They are now afraid.
You must catch fish, and boys will be jealous. We will tell you catch fish.
Show them the fish that I caught.
Yes.
I caught and then.
Yes, but it was this modern catch and release fishing. They do that. They catch and they release. I don't understand.
Because it's just for fun.
Yes, it's just,
for eating.
but it's not. I don't like it. Because shoot fish only for eating, not for fun.
Not for fun that you hurt them.
Yes, because always you hurt.
That's the.
Yes,
Can you pull?
yes, yes, my dear. Of course.
It's addicting.
What?
Addicting. Even if you don't catch fish, you can fun like that, and even if your arms hurt already,
Ah,
but you like to do it over and over again.
yes.